I don't want to hear, I don't know who he is. I don't want to hear, I just met him yesterday. I don't want to hear, he's a friend from overseas. I don't want to hear it. I've been doing this 21 years, so you can stop the whole bullshit.
Behind that ordinary appearance lies a secret shocking enough to set off alarms. Will you dare to watch until the end?
Okay, but when I found out, I better get my phone back. I can't go to work.
Listen, man, listen.
I'm a property manager. I have contracts.
We're trying to help you out.
You're gonna get me another fine. You're gonna get me in jail again.
Okay.
One small piece of paper was enough to turn his entire life upside down in an instant. Daring scams that seemed flawless but ended in humiliating failure. How shocking will the truth behind these schemes be?
If you lie about your identity, you're going to go to jail.
Okay.
You understand me? I'm going to be straight up with you. So don't play this game back and forth with us. All right? If we give you, I'm going to have you give him your information. If at any point you lie about it, which we're going to find out because we're going to scan you, you're going to go to jail.
Right.
On July 6, 2024, officers respond to a credit union after staff report a suspicious woman attempting a large cash advance with multiple IDs.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Now, come on over here and have some food. That silver Jeep took a 10-8. Well, it's taking a 10-8. But I don't think it's going to be it. You got ID on you?
No, he has my ID.
Okay. What's going on?
Oh, he's right there. I don't know.
Okay, we'll be that with you in a minute.
Yeah.
That goes on thankful with the pink shirt.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, hang on, we'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
I'll sit down out of the parking lot. Do me a favor, hang on with your phone. Put your phone down.
Okay.
No, right there. You live out here?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay, where do you live?
I live on that address. That's on my ID.
Okay. What are you doing out here?
I'm on a work trip.
Well, that's her phone there. She's texting on it. Appreciate it. I put it down.
That's what I'm saying. What's going on?
We got a call. Like I said, right now, completing an investigation. Doesn't mean anything's gonna happen. We just gotta figure out. We got a call, so we gotta talk to them to see what's going on. Okay.
I'm just a little confused because I'm there on a work trip and I'm like.
Okay. What do you do for work?
I do cabinet work.
Okay. From New Mexico?
Bank employees explain she previously withdrew $300 at another branch and is flagged for repeated attempts using fake IDs.
Hey, I don't want to put her information all out. It's kind of private. Who was the teller that was speaking with her?
Me.
Okay.
Yeah, I helped her. So, basically she came to the line and she goes, hey, I want to do a cash advance. She had filled out a slip of sign one. She's not a member with us. New Mexico ID.
Hold on one second. It's going to be Joshua, so.
Yeah.
Sorry, if you don't mind starting over.
Yeah, you're good. So basically, she just walked that. She was a little bit nervous. I said, I looked at the ID, I was like, okay, so for how much? She says 5 if I can, 3 if you can do it. So I just messaged our manager group chat. We've had her trying to do this multiple times, like at other branches, so it was like a lookout. So then, my ABM, Michael, came over. I gave him the license and the card so then he could go back there and look at it, and then I just made small talk pretty much the whole time.
Okay.
Yeah, so 2 days ago or a day ago, she came in doing a cash advance for $3,000 with a newer teller that was here. So she processed it for her. But this time she was trying to do one for 3 or 5, like whatever she could get off the card.
One of the IDs that was captured from another branch yesterday.
So I think she's using multiple IDs.
Fake IDs?
Fake IDs, yeah. Well, the other one I think was like, forget what state it was, but it like looks really fake. Yeah.
Okay. Tell us I'm sure this area.
Yeah. So we have all the copies of that.
Is that her only ID?
We have other emails in regards to the ID numbers, the names on the IDs, but that's the only actual ID.
She was going by that name as well.
Okay.
She was trying to do cash advances off the business debit card. I'm not sure if she has more than one.
So basically she's been going around to different Fairwinds banks, showing different types of IDs, trying to get cash advances. What's your name again?
My name is Emily Hancock.
Okay, and your date of birth?
It's 4/20/81.
Say it again, sorry.
It's 4/20/81.
Okay. So, police officers, right? So I'm running your information right now. Right now I'm having a little hard time finding your information. Could be because it's out of New Mexico. We have a fingerprint scanner that can do that. It would be expedite this, get you out of here much faster. Good with doing that?
I guess.
Yeah. So we're just gonna grab it real quick, okay?
Okay. Can I have my phone?
No, you're not. We're conducting a criminal investigation right now. So right now you are detained, and you cannot use your phone.
Under questioning, she admits the ID isn't hers and gives her real name Tabitha Pagan, a Florida resident.
If you lie about your identity, you're going to go to jail.
Okay.
You understand me? I'm going to be straight up with you. So don't play this game back and forth with us. All right? If we give you, I'm going to have you give him your information. If at any point you lie about it, which we're going to find out because we're going to scan you,
Right.
you're going to go to jail.
Right. No.
What is your real name?
My name is Tabitha.
Tabitha? And your last name?
Pagan.
Pagan.
Give me your social security and your date of birth.
Is that a Florida ID?
Yeah.
Tabitha, so
Yeah.
spell it.
Tabitha.
And your middle initial?
Pagan. Pagan.
That's your middle initial?
No, I don't have a middle
Okay.
initial.
No middle name?
You understand that's a felony, right?
Yeah.
When you use somebody's information that comes back to a real person, you have not committed a felony crime. Okay.
I just want to let somebody know that. Am I going to be detained?
Yes, you are being.
No, what I'm saying, you're taking me to
We don't know
jail.
yet. But you're not using your phone. You're not going nowhere.
Officers read her Miranda rights. She claims she's financially desperate and says it's her first time, though evidence shows otherwise.
I want your story as well, right? Okay. I haven't made any decision yet on what's going on. I just want to understand fully what's going on before I make a decision. But before I ask you questions, I do have to read you your rights, okay? Doesn't mean that any decision is made. It's just something that I have to do. So you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you understand? Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
I was just doing this because I'm in like financial stance, and that's the only reason why I did it. And here I am.
Your financial needs. How? What gave you the idea to even do this?
And I was just like, maybe I'll just take a risk because it's something that I've never done. I mean, I don't do anything like this. I don't ever get in trouble. I've never been in trouble, so it's like, you know, you follow the wrong footsteps.
She explains she got the IDs from a man she barely knows, saying she took the risk after hearing others talk about it.
Who told you to do this?
Just people, like, I've heard people like doing it. I've seen.
Because I'm trying to say I've never seen anyone do this. So that's why I'm trying
I
to
mean,
figure out
like-
where are you seeing people do this?
Like,
Okay.
those are the type of things.
Okay.
Like,
How many
and then-
times have you done this?
this is my first time.
Your first
That's
time.
what I'm saying. This is like my first time.
Where are you getting these IDs from?
It was given to me.
From who?
It was given to me from a person I don't even know him, and then they went to that person, and then it was just like they gave it to me.
So I understand it may be that you're not trying to like throw something under the bus, but like I said, at the end of the day, we're talking to you. Do this at the bank because you need some extra cash. There had to have been something set in motion. You know?
No, literally that's how it was, and I.
Someone just walked to your house.
No. The person, I met them one time, okay? One time and one time only. And then he was like, we can do this. And then it was just like that. And then it was super. And then I came today and this is where I'm at. And I promise you, I've never been in trouble. I've never done this before. This is my first time. And I'm like, that's
This is
what
your
I'm
first time.
saying.
Okay. You're saying this is your first time. They have you using this card yesterday to get another cash advance yesterday. So this is obviously not your first
That's what I'm
time.
saying. Yesterday I came. That's why I told the other officer I came yesterday because I was coming to get the cash.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is my second time here today because they told me that I could do it.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, well.
And you're claiming someone just randomly came up to you, gave you this ID, this credit card, and said, hey, get some gifts. That makes no sense.
Where's your car? Where's your Honda?
My car,
Where's your Honda?
it's not here.
Are you sure?
I'm positive my car's not here. You don't see it. It's
I understand that because somebody was in it.
Where?
Valrico.
Where's that?
Valrico?
Valrico.
And you coming all the way to Orlando?
Yeah.
She insists someone else arranged her Uber from Valrico to Orlando, portraying herself as a passive participant.
I already told you. You bullshit me once.
No,
Stop
no,
talking.
I promise
Let me
you,
finish.
I
So you
was
took an
in-
Uber from Valrico to Orlando.
That's your phone, right? Uber is through an app. You can
I didn't order the Uber. I didn't
So
order
this-
the Uber. They ordered me the Uber.
Miss
I'm
Pagan.
promising
Miss
you.
Pagan, you understand how that seems. You're saying a random person came to your house, gave you this ID, gave you this
Okay,
credit card,
but
and
then
now they're
he's
booking
not
you
a
a random Uber?
He's not a random person.
Who is he? That's what I'm saying. Explain it
It's a
to
person
us.
that I met one time.
You're
okay?
about to take a rap for a whole
I know.
thing.
So you drove an hour and 20 minutes to come to Orlando for this. So here's what's going to happen. and I'm not playing games with you right now. You're going to jail.
I'm sorry.
You're going to jail. No, I'm telling you now, you're going to jail. Okay, so that's going to happen. All right, so here's what's going to happen. You're going to jail. He's taking you to jail. Yeah, so defrauding an innkeeper, I'll get you out.
Yeah, okay.
So listen, stop talking for a minute. You're going to jail. The way this works is that's it.
Crimes have been committed.
I know.
Listen. Stop I don't know who gave me this information. Okay? Get on your phone and give us this number of this person that's done this, number one. Because I'll tell you right now, you will go to jail solely for everything you have committed.
Okay.
Okay? I don't want to hear, I don't know who he is. I've been doing this 21 years, and I've been doing this actual crime stuff.
Okay.
Stop. Just sit down for a minute. Let me finish. If the I don't know thing continues, and I don't have numbers to people, and I don't know if that continues, we're done talking. You're going to go to jail for what we have. We're not even going to look at this anymore.
Okay.
You're not going to go through your phone. If you would allow us to go through your phone, and you want to get some numbers for him to take, then we will investigate this further. Okay, but other than that, you'll take the whole damn rap and we're done.
No, I don't want to.
No, Valrico.
Okay, but can I get my phone to give you the number?
What do you want to show us on your phone?
You want a number, right? I'm
Yes.
trying to give
What's
you
their
the number.
name? How did you meet them?
I don't know. I'm telling you, I'm
Like
being
Facebook? Was it Instagram? How? No one just gets a random number.
Off the street. I met him off the street.
And why did he approach you?
Because, like I told you, I was desperate to make money because I was in a financial state. And that was it. And this is like my first time that I'm actually making a move like this.
Okay. So Fair Winds has you flagged. Obviously, cameras and stuff like that, facial recognition, all that stuff like that. This is not your first time. And I don't like being lied to, just like Corporal Falbo does not being lied to.
Officers confront her with records of multiple fake IDs, including New Jersey and New Mexico, contradicting her first-time claim.
This is pretty cut and dry. So for you to lie to us like that doesn't make any sense.
I'm not lying to you. I promise you, I'm
Ms.
not
Pagan,
lying to you.
all you've done since we stepped out with you was lie to us.
In
You
the
gave me
beginning,
this
I
ID.
did.
This isn't the first time you've given someone else ID. You've given other people's ID, like an ID out of New Jersey and stuff like that. We have all of that documented on camera.
Yeah, and I am, but I'm promising you.
This is not your first time.
No, I swear to God, this is my first time. I've never had another ID.
So you have no idea who Emily Hancock is,
No.
and you're just taking her money.
No idea it was in her purse as well.
Yeah, because they were. I was gonna do the withdrawal. That's it.
You're just going to take her money.
She admits she acted selfishly, acknowledges it was a mistake, but still denies knowing the victims or accomplices.
Doesn't matter what kind of financial crisis she's in, right? It's only about yourself.
And I know, and I did some mistake.
Right? You weren't thinking about Emily Hancock when you were taking her hard-earned
I know,
money.
and I'm sorry. I was thinking about myself and not anybody else. Sorry.
And you have no idea who this person is or anything like that, right? Okay. What are you trying to give us from your phone?
You wanted that person's number.
And you have no idea, no face, anything like that. So how do you contact? Like, none of that makes sense.
I contact somebody else contacts them with me.
Who's this somebody else?
That's where you at right now with that. Is he taking the phone?
For a search warrant?
Did he say that?
He didn't say it, but probably should.
No.
How many-
That's my money order.
How many other IDs did they give you?
That's the only one. I promise you, that's the only one.
It's in there.
Okay.
He's here from different states. I don't know who Mr. Cruz is or Josine Cruz is.
Like, what is this? Who's Joe Sean Cruz?
That is my boyfriend.
Where is he?
He's not here. He's at
He's
his
got a
house.
rental agreement out of San Francisco, so it's Phoenix to from NCO to Phoenix, Phoenix to SFO.
Yeah, we'll take all that. We'll take her phone because you got a bunch of messages coming in right now. That's what's on airplane mode right now. We're putting evidence like evil crimes.
Police seize her phone as evidence explaining it will require a detective's review. She is formally detained and transported to jail.
It's a lot of different IDs.
Do you have anything on you that you
No,
should
I
have?
don't. Can I let somebody know that I'm going
When
to
you go to the jail, you'll be able to get.
Here's the thing, the only way that would concern us if you had minor children that needed attending to, that's it. Other than that, if you're you trying to let a grown person know about where you're whereabouts, do you have any kids?
Do I have an iPhone SE?
Is that her? Is that a second phone?
That was the second phone inside the first.
No, that one doesn't work.
Well, you got a message on it.
Something coming in through
You got a message right now.
Because it's probably connected to Wi-Fi.
So it does work.
So we're taking this stuff. It'll be in evidence, and it's going to be as simple as that. Unfortunately, when you come to Orlando and you commit this stuff, you're going to go to jail.
Okay, please let someone know.
When you go to jail, they'll
Can I
they'll
write
give you a phone
somebody's
call.
number down, please?
We are now gonna. It's in a secure mode where we have to keep it.
You can contact the detectives, and they'll decide whether or not you can get your phones back. Okay?
Okay. I don't know.
I'm cash right now, so I can't get this.
Thank you. Can I talk to you outside for a second, Carl, when we're done? I just need Sherry to do a search.
Can I call somebody, please?
At the jail, they'll give you that opportunity, okay?
I don't have
Who are you trying to call?
my mom or my sister. Somebody, please.
Okay. What's their name in your phone?
It's my sister's under sister. My mom's under Mama Bear. Can I please call somebody?
Are you giving us permission to go into your phone and your contacts to do that?
We'll come. We'll bring it out here, and we'll do it once we see it out.
Okay. Once we get a female officer to search you, we'll go from there. Okay. Yeah.
Bottom first one.
Can I call somebody now?
I'll ask that officer here, okay? If you're traveling, I don't want you to get hurt.
Can I please call somebody?
This woman dragged herself into serious trouble with multiple charges from using fake IDs and identity theft to financial fraud. It's a clear reminder that every act of deception carries consequences. Remember, earning money honestly is always the safest and most sustainable path.
Well, that's why I'm gonna go clarify what the deal is with the check.
Please do
All right.
that, and you will see that. You can
I'm gonna
see
check
this
the
month,
documents,
last month has not been.
and I'm gonna see what's going on.
Please.
And you were depositing the check into your account, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go verify that. All right.
Officers respond to the Navy Federal Credit Union in Orlando after a man attempts to deposit a suspicious $23,000 check. He's detained and advised of his rights.
Okay. You want to talk about what's going on right now? You want to ask some questions and all that?
Yes.
All right.
Tell me what's going on, because I don't know.
Okay. Before I do that, I just got to read you this. Okay.
Am I being arrested?
At this point, you're detained, and I can't talk to you about what's going on without at least reading your rights first. All right. If you want to talk to me about it, I gotta read your rights.
Because I want to clear this up, because I don't know what's going on. Yeah.
The man insists the check is legitimate, there's nothing wrong with the check, and that any issues are due to verification or passcode error.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything
No,
to get
sir.
you to talk to me? All right, so what's the deal with the check?
What you mean what's the deal with the check?
Yeah, the check that you're trying to deposit today. That you got to verify. You're trying to make all these phone
What's wrong
calls.
with the check?
That's what I'm asking you.
There's nothing wrong with the check. She didn't tell me there was nothing wrong with the check. She told me I had an error with my verification. But I called them and I came back in, but they said they want to speak to the manager to verify me. They said the only way to do that is to change my passcode.
Change your passcode.
Yes. For my verification.
Okay.
You feel me? Because she said that somebody came in. But I told her, I said, ma'am, I will come inside back in the bank if you want me to and verify myself.
Okay.
And that's what I did. And as soon as I came, asked her.
He claims prior customer service told him to change his passcode and that someone red flagged him. He offered to verify himself multiple times.
So you cashed a check yesterday or no?
No.
Okay.
I didn't cash no check.
And where is the check that you cashed or that you're trying to cash today from? Where's it from?
You said what?
The check that you're trying to deposit today.
It's from a grant loan.
A grant loan from
Yes.
what state?
Texas.
Texas. Okay. What's the grant loan for? You in school or something? Or?
Yes, it was like, what the heck?
I'm just trying to understand.
Is something wrong with the check or something? Like I'm trying to figure out what's going on because I was just talking to the clerk. She didn't tell me nothing about this, and now you're telling me about a check and all this stuff. And then she was telling me, "Oh, well, we could deposit it. It's gonna take 5 days." But I was like, "Why would you deposit a check if I can't even get it? If I have a red flag and I can't get a deposit, I can't get a debit card." So she told her the only way you could do that, if you can't verify you through us, call the bank.
How'd you get the check? Where'd you get the check from?
See, I was in the mail.
They sent it to you in the mail? To which house?
To the one on my ID.
He admits to being new to Orlando 2-3 years and uncertain of his address, though he's held an account with Navy Federal for 5 years without issues.
You know your address?
I don't know about heart. I'm not from. I just moved. I'm not from Orlando. I can't really tell you the address by heart and stuff.
How long you been living in Orlando?
Probably like 2-3 years.
2-3 years and you don't know your address?
The ID and stuff. I don't know nothing about no bad check. I don't have no bad check. I have not done nothing wrong.
Okay.
I have not done nothing wrong, bro. Like I am being truthful. If why the hell would I come in here a bank with a bad check? I've been coming here for years. I never had a fraudulent problem with my Navy Federal.
Okay. And the Navy Federal account that you have right now is under your name? How long have you had that bank account?
I've been with Navy Federal for like 5 years.
That's always same account number?
Always, no, I had called in because I had a problem.
He had closed his old account after a scam and received a new account number. Confusion arises about the verification process involving that.
With a female that I was dealing with, she had my information and stuff, and so I canceled those cards and I canceled my online. So now, like, I got to a point where, like, usually if you call your debit card or put your 16-digit code, I got to a point where as soon as I say my name, it goes straight to the operator. That's the securities I have on it.
It goes straight to where?
To the operator.
Okay.
Like you couldn't, you can't check my available balance or none of that. Because I went through a scam problem.
So now you got a new account number?
Yes, I got a new account number.
Okay. So what was she saying about verifying the check or verifying the account?
She didn't say nothing about verifying the check.
You said there was an issue with verification. What was the issue with the verification?
The issue because I had 2 debit cards.
She was saying that 2 debit cards went to a separate account. To like a different account.
Yes, because that part one of that old debit cards to that old account that I closed with my online account.
Okay.
So that's the same. It's the same check. It's the same account when it goes to the online. I closed that because a girl got my information. That's all. That should be all on report and documented.
Yeah.
That's why.
A verification with the check. That was
no,
the problem.
She did not tell me that. Like,
yeah, I'm telling you, it wasn't a verification with your debit card. It was a verification with the check.
She gave me my ID. I walked right past you. I walked right past you.
How many deposits have you done within the last week into this account?
To this account, it's gonna be like in this week. It's gonna be my first deposit.
First deposit.
First deposit. I haven't touched the account in a while. I rarely touch my Navy Federal account.
So they're not gonna be you?
Videos of deposits?
Of deposits, yeah, coming in and depositing checks. When I review those videos, are they gonna be you
for this
week?
weekend?
This week. Let's just say last 2 weeks. Well, that's why I'm gonna go clarify what the deal is with the check.
Please do that, and you will see that. You can see check this month, last month have not been.
And I'm gonna see what's going on. Please. And you were depositing the check into your account, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go verify that. All right.
I believe I'm not going to check because I have not done nothing wrong.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? And I don't see. If she told me, if she said it was a problem with that, bro, we could have sit. So if you can't verify me because of the 2 points of ID, okay, let me call Navy Federal and figure out what's the red flag.
Okay.
When I just called, when you put me in handcuffs, that's what I was on the phone with. If you need a different verification, I have another ID, and this is another ID right here. This is 2 verifications.
What are you property manager of over there?
Basically, say like we get a ride like for the meetings, they'll give us the property what they want us to do. I go paying.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. All right. Let me see what's up with the documents in the check.
Please
all right?
do, bro.
I'll be back. You got ID?
Nah, it's in the car.
I thought it was in your wallet.
Nah, my ID's in my car.
Okay. The teller reveals the check is not a grant check, as the man believed, but appears to be from the Texas Teacher Retirement System, a pension 401k account not for financial aid.
How y'all know if I didn't get scammed? Like,
question. So on this check, it says Teacher Retirement System of Texas. What would you all disperse checks for? Is it for retirement accounts or?
Retirement accounts, if they were a teacher and they were getting a refund from their account, even if they're like a beneficiary for a member as well, we would distribute out funds like that.
Well, I asked because he's telling me it's a grant check from schooling. Would you all disperse a check for that? Yeah, he's telling me it's a grant check. But, so this is just like a retirement account and beneficiaries of that account. This isn't grant or no financial aid or anything like that, correct?
No, it's not financial aid or anything. It's just a 401k pension plan.
Okay.
State government pension plan. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
The teller checks the check number and amount 23,185 and I-2 and finds no record confirming the check is likely fraudulent.
If I give you a check number, is there any way you can look that up?
Okay, and what is it in the amount of?
It's for $23,185.92.
Okay, sorry about that.
No worries.
Let me go ahead and check this to see if I can find anything. Do you mind if I just place you on a brief hold?
No worries.
So, I did not find anything with that information.
Okay, so therefore this check is fraudulent then, correct? It's fair to say?
Anything on that?
Maybe. Probably, it's probably not legit. If you don't have the warrant number and you don't have that check amount, it's probably not a real check, correct? Yeah, like I said, he's claiming it's a check from a grant, which we know it's not. It's from, it's a 401 type account. It's a retirement account, not a grant account. Sent out a check, you would at least have documentation of that or at least the person's social, which you have neither of those, correct? I will follow up and get some official records from you all at a later time.
Give my 99, please.
All right. We ready to be truthful about the check?
331398.
And it was a grant check. Were you in school? Can you tell me what school you were in?
I don't want to talk no more. I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to keep it like that. You feel me? My own purpose of coming back in is to verify myself. I was told to verify myself because it's a 2 debit card. Now I got this and I have another ID and I want to speak to the manager. I've been coming for 5 years, no problems, no none of that. I'm not finna come here on no bullshit.
The officer suggests perhaps someone else gave him the check to cash. The man vehemently denies wrongdoing. He's arrested and informed of charges uttering a forged check defrauding a financial institution, grand theft, and possessing a counterfeit payment instrument.
Okay, you told me the check is from a grant money from school. That check is from a 401 account for retirement? No reason why anybody would be sending you that check.
So I don't listen. I'm just telling you what I know.
Okay.
I'm not
saying you made it. I know.
Okay,
I think
I have not did nothing wrong.
I think the person who made it gave it to you to cash it for them, and you were gonna get some money out
Cash
of
it for who? To get some money? I make good money.
Okay.
I get paid $25 an hour.
Okay.
Like, bro, I'm not finna. I can't. Who is this person that you said that was at Altamont? Can I see them? See if I can recognize them. I can tell you who that probably might be or something.
Okay.
All right, you got any weapons on you or anything?
No.
All right, just stand up for me. Face the wall. Spread your legs for me. What's that?
Nothing. No insurance on that.
I'm gonna open up and look for that. I'm just curious. Real quick.
Am I under arrest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the charges?
Uttering a forged check, defraud financial institution, grand theft, possession of counterfeit payment instrument.
I gotta pick it up and see, okay? You wanna have a seat right there?
You know what?
Well, we're gonna hold on to it because it's problem. I gotta look through it.
Okay.
During processing, he's searched, questioned, and insists the items in his possession are a sentimental necklace. His phone are harmless or essential for his job as a property manager.
That's allowed at 10%?
That's, you gotta put 10% of that, so 500 or 600 bucks.
That's what all of it all together?
What? We'll go on this side. On this side. And the passenger side. I think they're calling the. You just search them, right?
Yeah, I searched them in there. Yes, yes.
All right.
I think I didn't check what's like up in the top area up here. One of these, like a necklace.
I don't have nothing.
You got anything on you?
I don't have nothing, boss man. I don't have nothing.
I saw like a necklace or something.
It's a,
you take it into the jail, it's a charge. If we find it here, it's not. That's why we just want to verify that there's nothing there.
Well, can I do something right quick? Can I do something so they won't touch it when we get to the jail?
What do you want to do?
I want to take off my chain, but I don't want nobody else to touch it.
What's your chain?
This is my chain.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
I want to take it off.
Why can't I just take it off for you?
I don't want you to touch it.
All right, so
Okay, so
just
then at the jail, then we'll take it off.
Yeah, they'll take it off. You make things a lot harder than what they need.
Go ahead, boss man.
Can you just sit backwards?
Go ahead. Take it off.
We can take it off.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead with the
your
gloves.
permission, or they're gonna rip it off at the jail.
Okay, go ahead.
You hold this one. I thought there's some. You take it off like that?
Yeah, I can take it off. Yeah, it's big enough.
This one comes right.
You're already trying to keep my cell phone. That's how I go to work and stuff. I can't.
I gotta write a search warrant on your cell phone.
Okay. I have contracts.
We're trying to help you out.
You're gonna get me another fine. You're gonna get me in jail again for my job.
Get another phone is the best thing
I cannot. Listen, I have.
You won't have it for some time. Watch your legs.
This man was charged with uttering a forged check, defrauding a financial institution, possessing a counterfeit payment instrument, and grand theft. Let this be a reminder to always verify documents and never let greed drag you into trouble. In the end, every deception gets exposed. What lesson do you think she should learn from this? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shocking moments.